Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Crafts. Today we'll be making a 2-in-1 play toy, a rocking and flying bee and paper toy. It rocks like this and then flies. So we pick a rectangular sheet of thick cardboard paper, fold it across to form a triangle, fold again in this way outward. We want to form a moderate flyer, an aeroplane. Fold again outward and place it aside in that form. Pick the yellow paper, draw out the bee on it. I folded it into two. I need two bees. So I'll cut out the bee from the sheet of paper. I'll place aside the body of the bee and take a white sheet of paper. I'll cut out two circles to form the eyes. Take another sheet of double white paper and draw out the wings on it, then cut out. Now that all our pieces are ready, we pick them and begin to fix them onto the flyer, the aeroplane. So fix the body of the bee, the two bees first. I'll pick the first one and staple it to the body of the flyer with a staple machine in this way. I'll staple the second one too. Then fix the two eyes, one on each body of the bee. Then we fix the wings. Then we pick our black strips of paper and begin to fix them on the body of the bee to form the stripes. So I pick the first one, fix from up to down. Then cut out the design of the antenna from these two folded strips of black paper. Then we fix the antennas, one on each side. Then I pick the marker and begin to put some designs on my rocking and flying bee. Put a dot there for the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Design the wings and do the same too on the other side. Now the puppet bee is ready. It rocks up and down and then it flies. Hope you like the video. Thank you.